Hey everybody, Luis Perez here with another tutorial on iBooks Author. And today I'm going to show you how you can very easily get started with iBooks Author. So here I've launched iBooks Author, and this is the template chooser that I have up on the screen. Here you can choose from any of the 6 templates that ship with iBooks Author. I'm going to choose the basic template by selecting it, and then I'm going to click on choose. When iBooks Author opens up, on the left side of the screen you're going to see your table of contents, and you'll see that it's already created a chapter, a section, as well as a basic page. Now you can add any of these by going up to the top in the toolbar in the upper left, and you can click on add page, and so here you can add a new chapter, a new section, or a regular page, and your pages can be 1 column, 2 column, and so on. Now to edit your iBook, you'll select any of the text you see in here, and you'll start typing your desired text. You can also copy and paste text, but today what I'm going to show you is how you can repurpose documents that you already have in Microsoft Word or Pages and reuse them in iBooks Author. So here I'm going to move my window over a little bit. And here I have both a Word document and a Pages document. Let's take a look at the Word document first. I'm going to double click on that, open it in Microsoft Word. And one of the things you can do is import your styles into iBooks Author if you've used those styles in Microsoft Word. And styles are really important for accessibility because they provide a structure to your document, and they split it up into sections that are much easier to follow. So here I have a heading. And rather than going into the toolbar and choosing a larger font and making this bold, what I'm going to do is use my styles. So this would depend on what version of Word you're using, but here it's in the ribbon, and I'm going to scroll over and choose heading 1. That's going to indicate that this is the most important heading on the document. And I'll do the same thing for heading 2. I'll make sure I select the correct style. And then I would go ahead and save my document. So that's in Microsoft Word. We can do the same thing with Pages. I'll double click on Practice 2, which is a Pages document. And again, I'm going to select the text for my headings, and instead of choosing a larger font or a larger text size and making it bold, what I'm going to do is go over to the left hand side of the format bar, and I'm going to choose a style. So I want this to be a heading 1, and then my second heading here, it's a level 2 heading, so I'm going to make that a heading 2. Now we have the appropriate styles, so I can go ahead and I can just close the document. In Pages it will be saved automatically. Now to import my existing documents into iBooks Author, what I need to do is resize the window. This is the easiest way for me to do it. And then just drag my documents from anywhere on my hard drive into the table of contents. And I can release the document when I see the blue line. This will indicate where that document is going to be imported. And when I see the green plus, I'll let go. And with the dialog box that comes up, I want to make sure I check Preserve Document Paragraph Styles. That will bring in the headings that I use in my Microsoft Word document. So I'll go ahead and click on Choose. And so now my existing Word document has been added as a new chapter. And I can go in and edit any other text. And I'll see that here my headings or my heading styles have been imported as well because I have that checkbox selected. Now you may get some warnings whenever you're converting between formats. There may be some issues with some of the fonts, so you may need to change the font, and I can do that by choosing Select All, which is Command A. And you want to make sure that you choose fonts from the format bar because these are the fonts that are available on the iPad. If you choose your fonts by going up to the Fonts window, this will list all of the fonts that are available on your computer, but not all of those fonts will work on the iPad. So again, you don't want to use the Fonts window. You want to make sure that you use the format bar. So we'll go ahead and choose Arial for this font. The same thing with the Pages documents. So again, just like with the Microsoft Word document, we can drag it in and then just release when we see the green plus. We'll get the same dialog window. So again, we want to make sure we check Preserve Document Paragraph Styles, and then I'll click on Choose. And again, my Pages document has been added as a new chapter. I can come in here, and I can edit the text. And as with the Word document, I've been warned that some of the fonts will be substituted. So I would do the same thing. Again, here we can see the heading styles have come in, and I will select all and select one of the fonts from my pull down menu in the format bar. That way I'll be sure that I'm using fonts that are available on the iPad. So again, you can get started very quickly in iBooks Author by either using one of the templates like we did here and just replacing the text with your desired text, or you can import existing documents such as Microsoft Word documents or Pages documents. And when you create the original documents, it's important to use headings to split up your document into sections and also to provide a structure that enhances accessibility. So this is Luis Perez with another iBooks Author tutorial. I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial, and I'll talk to you again soon.